Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we are on our way to check out a brand new listing. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, sits on a very nice little corner lot. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Right guys, right here at 3451 Bluegrass Drive, just listed a few days ago. Nice corner lot. Sits on the corner of Saratoga and Bluegrass. Little shot of Cupcake Mountain over there down the street. You have a little bit of side RV boat parking. Sits on a pretty big corner lot. Let's go inside and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2003, 1,328 square feet. It was just listed a few days ago for $419,900. Has a nice open floor plan, split bedroom layout, vaulted ceilings. It's got speakers in the wall. Just wanted to show you the entry real quick. So you have a nice little eat at breakfast bar counter up here. You have a pantry. All right, so you have the garage access and a master on one side. So it's all tile, no carpet. Little double slider mirrored closet doors. Has a pretty good size little walk-in closet. Master bath has dual sinks. Nice tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. So you have a little hallway closet and a guest bath, solid surface counters. All right, you have bedroom number 3, also at the front of the house. Being used as an office right now. Double slider for your closet. All right, so you have a 2-car garage. It's about 20 feet wide at the door, 33 feet deep, standard 7-foot door. Is insulated. Does have a swamp cooler. All your RO, soft water. So this is a big corner lot, 10,716 square feet. This house actually comes with plans for an additional garage, bonus room that includes a bathroom. There's also plenty of room for a pool. You have a nice view of Cupcake Mountain. Lots of little water shots. We also have some nice mountain shots from over here as well. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Bluegrass. Again, this one was just listed for $419. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you can always get the latest price and more pictures, etc. Also, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All of my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great rest of your week, and I will talk to you soon.